Tranz Am. I don't like Tranz Am. So this was one of the other cartridges we had. These were our 3 original cartridges. We had Backgammon, we had Tranz Am, and we had Jetpack. So we lived off those 2. We lived off Backgammon and we lived off Jetpack. Nobody liked Tranz Am. It was not good. Oh. Okay. Despite it having a joystick option, we're going to live on the keyboard. Right. So each one of these dots represents a thing to collect. No, a thing that you may interact with. Your fuel gauge, there we go, does like running empty. And there are other racers on the map who basically are doing their best to hit you at speed. Whoopsie-daisies. Whoops, and I completely forgot this engine overheats. Ugh. So we have collected 2 trophies so far. Let's go south. So the map gives you no indication of where things are, where things really are. You end up staring at the mini-map all the time. That's Albuquerque, apparently. There's a car coming. And it would be great if the mini-map would update and just let you know. Car coming. Oh. So, adult Kian is going to do the thing that child Kian didn't do. I'm going to read the instructions. Cactus Land. Yeah. The year is 3472, and all that remain on Earth are the ruins of a once great... What did you think of this one? Did you get on with it at all, or did you just find it as tedious as this? Of a once great continent, a barren land, a desolate place of sand, rocks and boulders. But life adapts quickly and brings with it a new age, a time ruled by cars. I was crap at it. Yeah, I was crap at it. A time ruled by cars and trophies, a land where petrol replaces gold, and esteem is possession of the 8 great cups of ultimate. 8 is the aim. Possessed for too long by the deadly black turbos, the 8 cups and blue. Don't forget some of these are blue. The 8 cups remain hidden through the land. Their strange inscriptions long since forgotten and their locations reverently protected. Your chance, a super blown red racer, equipped with an advanced technology and power which far surpasses any black turbo, except they can go faster than you for longer and never overheat. Your car overheats. Turn anti-clockwise, turn clockwise, shift acceleration. Brake and pause. That's it. Yeah, this one was crap. This one was actually crap. Sinclair, Ultimate came out with 2 absolute bangers. With Pissed is good. I like Pissed. It's hard, but it's good. Jetpack was a must-own. Let's be quite frank. And then this, which shows they don't always make winners. Let's go for one more. 8. We're looking for 8 cups in a sea of unknownness. Oh god, straight into the thing. Night Driver. Albuquerque. Cup 1. Oh. Yeah, he's faster than me. The whole thing is about how... Oh, we lost sync for a second then. You know, your car is supposed to be, you know, a souped up version. Bullshit! Worst marketing hype. That's enough Trans Am. Next! Okay. This one I found interesting. So, no loading screen on this. This is Cookie. Just goes straight in. So, Cookie. Charlie the chef keeps all the ingredients locked away in the pantry, only letting them out when he wants to cook them. Without doubt, this makes them jolly upset. So, as soon as they can, the ingredients dash out of the pantry, dragging all sorts of nasties from the bottoms of drawers and cupboards. Poor old Charlie. He has to daze the ingredients with flour bombs and knock them into the mixing bowl, because if they go into the dustbins, they'll be eaten by the bin monster. Should any rubbish or nasties get into the cake mix, then the ingredients needed counter will change, and Charlie will have to work faster if he's going to bake his cake. So, QWER. Again, this is going to be better with the joystick. Throw flour bags the T key. Joystick fire throws flour bags. Pause the game with the cap shift key. So, let's read that again. Daze the ingredients with flour bombs.